Hey friends, Stephen here, wishing you a absolutely happy new year and a healthy and prosperous 2023. But friends, before we enter into the new year, I want to look back and just share with you some of the amazing things that has happened here at Truly Free and what you've been a part of. You know, at this time of year, we always look forward and make New Year's resolutions on how we're going to make next year better. But something that I always do as we, kind of turn the corner into the new year is look back and just be grateful for all that we've been given and all the great things that have happened to us. And it's really because of you and you taking a stand for a truly free home. So friends, here's some of the things that you have participated in and what you've enabled and empowered over the last year. So the Truly Free journey is growing at such an amazing pace. We have over 250,000 families all over the world that have said no to toxic chemicals, that have said no to senseless plastic, and said hello to a healthy, vibrant, truly free life. And that has empowered us with your help to free women all over the world of sex trafficking. We've now freed dozens of women from trafficking, many of which have sustainable jobs, as you know, sewing dryer angels for us in Southeast Asia. We continue to fund Caribbean Christian Centers for the Deaf, that amazing deaf village in Jamaica, with another group of over a dozen women full-time that are sewing dryer angels for us. As a result of our support, they've started 3 different industries in Jamaica, and it's great to see how a nonprofit that used to survive off of handouts is now 100% sustainable. But there's so many other things. Like right now, we're funding a safe house village in the Dominican Republic, Haiti border, where at-risk teens who are formerly trafficked now have safety and are being taught a freedom identity, which is so exciting. We have dozens of families that we're feeding on a regular basis, getting kids in school in Dominican Republic and Haiti. So it's really exciting things happening there in addition to our orphan outreach that we're doing in Mexico. But there's even more things, right? So we're actually moving. We got a really big move coming up in the next few weeks. There'll be more there. But if you haven't heard, we're moving to a much bigger facility. We were blessed to get an awesome deal on an old supermarket here in our community that's been atrophying for years, that's been falling apart. So we've been revitalizing an area of our community that's been in such a dire need for redevelopment. So we're moving to a much bigger facility. That's going to give us the ability to, serve more people. We grew so much this year that we ran behind in shipping a couple times just because of growth. So now we're going to have the ability to make stuff faster and get orders out faster. So really excited about that. And also making way, if you haven't heard about our big announcement, is that soon in 2023, Truly Free is soon going to represent more than just safe, refillable, non-toxic cleaning products. It's going to represent a life. It's going to represent a movement, a marketplace. So if you haven't heard, we've been doing some amazing group buys and offering some awesome deals because there's great brands that believe in the Truly Free mission, that want to be a part of our movement. So we've been offering great deals, and so we've got some really awesome group buys coming up here in January and February as we build this amazing marketplace. And I can't wait to share with you all that's in store in 23. But guys, looking back, right, there are children being fed, there are orphans being rescued, there are women that were formerly trafficked that are being saved, over 250,000 family members, part of the Truly Free family. And as a cherry on top, last week we were awarded Best in Business for the entire year by Inc. magazine, one of the most prestigious publications in business. Guys, you're part of something way more. This is more than just cleaning products. This is more than just, less waste and, less plastic floating in the ocean. You're really impacting lives. So again, looking back on 22, it's been an amazing year. It's challenging. The world's getting crazy. But I believe the future is bright, and it's because we're surrounded with family members just like you, right? That want to take a stand for something more, that believe in something more, that we can leave the world a better place. So guys, I'm going to get back to work here, but before the year is over, I just wanted to say thank you, how much I love you, how much I appreciate you, and the overwhelming gratitude we and all of our over 100 team members here at Truly Free feel for you every single day, and why we work so hard to make the world a better place. So guys, can't wait to share with you all the exciting things in the next few months as we launch this full-on marketplace, as we offer these great group buys and great group deals. And we've got some new products as well that are adding to the stable here at Truly Free. So the future is bright. I don't care what anybody tells you, the future is bright for you too. Just hold fast to the Truly Free belief that we can live a truly free life. So love you. I appreciate you. Happy New Year. Hope you're having awesome holidays with your family. And I can't wait to continue our truly free journey together. Bye for now. Peace be with you.